It has changed my life significantly because usually war is something you only read in fiction books or in history books, but for us it's unfortunately part of our lives.
Kristina għandha 16-il sena u hija Ukrena, mir-reġjun ta' Donetsk fil-lvant tal-pajjiż u wieħed mill-agħar partijiet mill-quta mill-gwerra. Tiddeskrivi l-bidu tal-invażjoni Russa fl-Ukrajina nhar l-24 ta' frar tal-2022 bħala l-agħar ġurnata ta' ħajjitha.
We didn't know where to go, what to bring with ourselves. We didn't know whether to leave our city or to stay there. It was just chaos. We didn't know what to do. And then the first explosions came and it was really scary. So it's probably the beginning of the war because at that time nothing was certain. We didn't know whether it would be a full escalated war.
Kristina qalet li l-gwerra kellha effett tikra fuq il-kwalità ta' ħajjitha u fuq ħajja sħabha. Tajt li t-terrur, il-ħsejs tal-bombi u tħarbit fil-ħajja ta' kuljum saru parti minn ħajjithom.
Our city has a curfew that lasts from 3 p.m. To 11 a.m. next day. So we only get 4 hours to go outside and you cannot get much socialization.
Minkejja l-effetti tal-konflitt, Kristina taraf li ħafna Russi ma jaħtux għal dak li għaddejjin minnhom.
And there are some good Russians who support Ukraine. I have a few friends myself, but most of them, for no reason, they hate Ukraine and Ukrainians just because their president said that we are saving Ukraine. But I'm sorry, but missiles flying over our heads and explosions, it's not really saving our country.
Kristina deskrivit il-btala li kellha f'Malta bl-inizjattiva tal-Assoċjazzjoni tal-Kunsilli Lokali bħala waħda li tagħtiha tama. Qalet li f'ħajjitha din kienet l-ewwel darba li sifret u mal-kumplament tal-grupp ħadet sehem fi programm ta' attivitajiet kulturali u divertenti. Fosthom ukoll laqgħa mal-Prim Ministru Robert Abela.
A really life-changing experience. It changed our worldview a bit to know that the world has so much to offer and that not everything has to be scary, that there are some calm places where we can go, where we can rest and be ourselves.